Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Barcelona Champions League matches. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our browser. And then once you open your browser, what we're going to search is TNT Sports Barcelona, and then click on enter. After you do that, you should be able to see the matches of Barcelona right here. So all you have to do is to choose which one you prefer. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. So we're going to click on it. And then after that, we're going to click on stream on HBO Max in order for us to watch the replay and the upcoming matches. So once you click on stream on HBO Max, you will now be redirected into this website. So what we're going to do is to sign in into our account. So if you haven't signed in into your account yet, or you don't have an account yet, you'll have to sign up right here. So click on sign up now. And then you'll just have to choose your subscription. So let's say, for example, we want to use this. So we're going to scroll down and then click on continue. After that, just put your email and then click on continue once again. And then put your email address once again right here. And then put your password. And then put your first name. And then your last name. And then scroll down. And then click on create account. And then after that, you'll just have to put and select your payment method. So if you want to pay through your credit card, we're going to click on this. And then we're going to, of course, put our name, our card number. And then after that, click on pay now. And then once you click on pay now and you have successfully availed their subscription, you will now be able to watch any Barcelona match inside Champions League. And then after that, you can watch it through your phone, your TV, and even your computer. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.